that is the Windows Mail. Let me click on that once. And what you have here, let me dismiss that a minute. What this does is it brings your email to a very quick and easy access area here. You can put, let's say you have several email accounts. You can put them all, add them all on here to be able to see them all at once very simply and switch between them. I'm going to add one of my other email accounts here just to demonstrate how you add an account here. What you do is you go to this little settings button right down here. Click on that. And you can go up here to manage accounts. Click on that once. And you go down here to add an account. Right there. Very easy to do. If you have a Google account, a Gmail account, just click on that one when you start out. But it's simple to use. Great advantage of being able to manage all your email from one place. If I want to read any one of these emails right here, I just click on it and it'll open up that email. You can do a lot of things here. You have folders here, for example. If you click on more, it shows you all the folders that are available to put things in. You can also create a folder. If you click on the plus right here, when I clicked on folders, I can add a new folder and name it. So if I click on that, and I'm just going to name it test. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's try that again. Let's hit on the plus sign to add a folder. We name it test. And I hit enter. And it created the folder. There it is. So the key to remember there is name the folder and then hit the enter button on your keyboard and it will create that folder. For example, I have this email here. What I can do is click on the three little bars here and go to the move. And I can click on the test folder that I just created and it moved that email into that test folder. So if I open up, hit the more here so I can see all my folders, I hit the test folder and there it is. Okay. If you have several email accounts, it's really, really nice to use this feature. I also like the fact that you can access your email really quickly without going through the whole rigmarole of signing in and so on. You just click right here and it takes you right to your email. You can click on whichever email account you want to see here. So it's quite simple. You have focused and you have other. Always check the other. And you know there's going to be other messages in there. It tends to recognize things that you check regularly. It's quite smart and it'll put them in the focused area, but also check your other and see what's there. Like I mentioned in our first episode, it's important if you get junk email to mark it as junk or as a phishing scam. So let's see, I go here. I open up this email. This is not junk, but if it was junk, I would go to the three buttons right here, mark as junk, click on that once, and it's going to put it in the junk folder. Archive means it's going to save it in your archives folder. This is a good way to keep your mailbox looking fairly clean, but still keep important emails. I like to use the folder system and have folders for emails that I get a lot that I want to keep. Makes it easy to find. Or you can delete it. You can reply to the email right from here. You can forward it to someone. So it's an easy, good way to keep track of your email, especially if you have a few of them. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoy our video, please like our video below, and please subscribe to our channel. That way you can get regular notifications of when we post new videos and so on. Like always, right in the description section you will have links to any products, any software, any websites that we mention in that particular video. You will also have a link there to our membership area. We have a membership course that we make available, and please click on the link, take a look. It has an explanation of what the course is about. And again, don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.